Hi everybody and welcome to Vlogmas day 11. It's late, obviously, it's dark. Charles is doing something with a box. So we did some vlogging in the car earlier tonight, but because of reasons, I don't think we're gonna be able to use like any of that footage. So, figured we would just have a quick little chat here, kind of recap the day. Today is a Tuesday. Tuesday nights we usually go to trivia at our local Irish pub restaurant thing. So we went to the Celtic Cowboy and did that, and I don't want to brag, but we are like the trivia champions. We won tonight $30 whole. It tends to pay for dinner, which is all I really want. And then we come home and we pet our beautiful dog. Anyway, I wanted to show you what Charles has been working on. Here we go. So I think you saw part of this yesterday. Charles has been working on his Hobby Lobby inspirational quote wall hanging that says Yeet. Where is this going?
Not in our house.
That's right. It is going to someone else's home because I have a beautiful gallery wall filled with art I love. You know what's not on this wall? That.
Also, dear, I need you to get some stuff from Amazon so we can get a box that'll fit this so I can ship it.
Oh, I think I'm done ordering off Amazon.
What about your sponsorship stuff?
I have a heat gun coming.
Oh, I like those.
I'm gonna use it to make shrinky dinks. Spoiler alert, have some sponsored content coming up about us making shrinky dinks. But that's not for a little while. Anyway, I don't really have anything else to say. Today we went to trivia. I'm touching my chest because I want to show you my really awesome sweater. So Hanukkah's over. Sad. I didn't even get all 8 of my presents, Charles. But I wanted to show you my awesome Hanukkah sweater. So it says Happy Hanukkah on it, and then when you slide over it, it lights the candles because it's got those Transformer sequins. I love it. Target, 20 bucks. Probably on clearance now because Hanukkah's over. Or maybe not because they don't think they know when Hanukkah is. Anyway, that was kind of our Tuesday. Did you make it fit?
Yeah.
Oh, he made it fit in the box, so I guess I don't need to order things on Amazon.
Keep your stuff, honey.
I did finish shopping for my Secret Santa, and so I'm going to show you when I'm getting my Secret Santa. Secret Santa doesn't start till next week, though, at my school. So yeah. Tonight I made chicken tater tot hot dish. I can show you that, and then we'll call it a night. Biscuit, come here. Come here. Can you sit? Sit. Stop sniffing me. Sit.
Sit. Sit down.
Do you need your listening string? That sounded really violent, but it's not. She has her toy. Biscuit. She doesn't want to say goodnight. Sorry. So this doesn't look like much, but it is delicious. Charles ate it. It did like overflow in the oven though. That was my bad, for sure. This recipe was from the Molly on the Range cookbook by Molly Ye. I will link her down below. Her cookbook's awesome, and we bake a lot of stuff out of it. It's like Asian, Jewish, Midwest, which are all of my favorite things. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you guys tomorrow for Wednesday. Have a great night. Bye!